Good afternoon, everyone. Back again to review one of our dishes. Again, one of my also favorite. This was one of my mother's favorite because it's called Pagello alla Gallurese. Pink sea bream cooked Gallurian style, Sardinian style of a certain area of Sardinia where my mother was born. Except we elaborated in a more refined way by filleting the fish, slightly poached, sauté with onions, touch of vinegar, black olives, fresh tomatoes and basil. When you read it on the menu, it's not doesn't sound very attractive, but I can guarantee you, all you have to do is come and try it. It's fantastic, absolutely fantastic, and it's very clean. It's very healthy because it's not fried, it's not, and it's full of taste. And it's filleted. There's no bones whatsoever. The fish is extremely fresh. It's white fish. The flesh is white, and I don't know what to say. It's just another one of my favorite, and this was one of my mother's recipes, but she used to do it with a bone in a different way. This is more refined by us, and we elaborate it more in a modern way. And this is Pagello alla Gallurese from Sardinia, of course. This dish is on a new menu in Olivomare because we change our menu every month. We only change few items, but this is one of the new items that you will see for the next month. So please do come and try it, and we look forward to see you. Have a nice day. Thank you.